WP BlueShield. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. WP BlueShield, solution for you for better security for WordPress sites. WP BlueShield is simple and light security plugin that works. Well-known software specialist creates a WordPress security plugin to stop hackers dead. Watch the quick demo video, see how quick and easy it is to be safe from bots, hackers. Combine this free plugin with WP BlueShield to get full site protection. Now today we already have the solution for you for better security for WordPress site. WP BlueShield is simple and light security plugin that works. And I suggest you combine it with this free plugin. Why? Because by default WordPress allows unlimited login attempts either through the login page or by sending special cookies. This allows passwords or hashes to be brute force cracked with relative ease. Limit login attempts blocks an internet address from making further attempts after a specified limit on retries is reached, making a brute force attack difficult or impossible. Download it here for free. https://wordpress.org/plugins/limit-login-attempts/ and we're giving you the admin password of one of our website. Try if you can log into the WP dashboard and ask your hacker's friend to try it too if necessary. We're using this too plugin. Click here to test and see how it works. Protect your website security. Hundreds of WP sites get hacked every week. Did you secure your site? Not hundreds, but in fact thousands of WordPress sites are hacked every day. Take for a live example from this quick Google search showing how many WordPress sites have been hacked in the last 24 hours. Click here for live example on Google search. But today we already have the solution for you. WP BlueShield is simple and light security plugin that works. We're already tested and installed this on all of our WordPress sites after developing this plugin. And we're giving you the admin password of one of our website. Try if you can log into the WP dashboard and ask your hacker's friend to try it too if necessary. Click here to test and see how it works. In short, when you install this proven security plugin on your WordPress blog, even if somehow the hacker manages to crack your password, he still won't be able to log into your WordPress. I know it's hard to believe. So, why not test it out for yourself? Click below to test and see how it works. This is a must-have plugin to secure your assets. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.